You know, being a programmer comes with a lot of quirk, good money, remote work, and so on. But here's what they don't tell you about being a programmer. It's not really about writing code. It's more about solving other people's problems. If someone says, "Hey, I want you to build something today," what they really mean is they want it built yesterday. That's why it's so important to learn how to talk and interact with people effectively. Programming is more about communication than writing code. Another thing they don't tell you, when most programmers start a project, they have no idea if they'll be able to do it or not. But they're confident because they've started projects before with no clue about how to do them, over 100 times, and each time they delivered something. So you're sure you can do it because someone's done it before, and there's advice on the internet on how to do it. When all is said and done, you usually prove yourself right and complete the project. Here's another thing they don't tell you. You read code way more than you write code. Some say the ratio is 10 to 1, while others say it's more like 100 to 1. And another thing you do more than writing code is debugging. You'll spend a lot of time debugging in your career, so it's important to get good at it early on. The last thing they don't tell you about programming: the projects you pour your heart and soul into will soon be forgotten, and all the time you spent learning those languages won't matter, as some of them will become obsolete in the future. But the problem-solving skills you gain, those are timeless. Technology evolves and languages become obsolete. But guess what? The problem-solving skills you gain, those are forever. Coding is an adventure, a puzzle to be solved, and a journey of continuous learning. Keep coding, and remember, the coding community awaits. So, that's the programming life unfiltered. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep coding.